Okay, so here we have the bananas and the flowers and the leaves that are going to hang underneath the elephant. But what you have to understand is it's not just one hole on every piece, because how are we going to hang this leaf onto this banana? So what we have to do is when we dangle and our wind chimes, the pieces going down, they have to have two holes. So that way you can tie one here and then the other one here, like the leaf here. And then we might put a flower one here. And if we want to do another flower one below this, right, you're going to need to do two holes. You might do one hole and you just tie it up and down, but this leaf definitely needs a second hole. When you're doing the hole for these pieces, just know that the string is really that thin, okay? And so that hole is big enough that when it shrinks, it's not going to be too small that I cannot put the string in there. So take your felting knife and you're just going to simply go in here and just twist it very gently. Don't force it, because if you force it, you could crack it, especially if it's dry. And then once you see it coming out on the other side, like right there, right, you can kind of see it right there, you could stop. And then go in the other side and then rework that hole. And that way you have a hole from both ends. Okay, and then you can clean that up. But yes, you need two holes on each object so that you can string them down. The other thing is that you need objects that actually will come out a little bit, because what is it that's going to hit this leaf and go gling 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 gling? If you just have them all going down, then it's like a beaded curtain. And we kind of want some noise in here. So make sure that you put some pieces. Maybe the bananas, instead of having two holes out here, it should have maybe one hole a little bit lower so that it actually